Hi students, happy day. A warm welcome to class 3. You're all come from class 2 to class 3, right? All the best and I welcome you to grade 3. I'm your computer science teacher who will be handling computer science for you. I have lots and lots of interesting things to share to you in computer science. Yes. Now, this is your first lesson and the first video of your computer science. Before I get into the topic, I wanted to ask you something. Computer means does it give a smile on your face? Yeah, lovely. So everybody like and love computers, right? Very good. So apart from playing games with the computer, I'm also going to do a teaching. You know what teaching? It's not going to be like a school teaching. It's going to be a fun teaching to you, where would you also require to learn something inside the computer about its parts and various software how to work, right? Yes. Before we get into the parts to learn about the software, I'm going to teach you a lesson called Understanding Windows. Our lesson is going to about, yes, understanding Windows. What is this Windows and what are its features and everything we are going to learn. So what is desktop screen, its features, how do we select and deselect an icon, and what is the icon there, we are going to see. Let's get into the lesson, students. Now, so what is Microsoft Windows? Yes, so before I read out and explain to you, I would like to ask you a small question. When you're all at home, okay, with your parents, and what did they do? What all they do? So they will help you, right? So they'll help you to, guide you to go to the class, and they'll give you food on time and everything. Yes. When they are not there, what will happen? You would be responsible. So you need to manage everything. Managing, the word managing. Remember, students? To be like, as a small kids, you're all, to manage a little might be a difficult task, right? Yes, nothing is difficult when we learn, right? Likewise, there is a software called Windows. Okay, this is the one software which helps the computer to manage everything. So, like how our mama leaves and gives a responsibility, computer manages day-to-day life, right? Day-to-day activities when we work, it helps us. It shows whatever we ask, it helps us, right? To make the computer to work nicely without any interruptions, there is a software called Windows. Okay, Microsoft is the company which helps this Windows software to work on the computer and to give a long life for the computer to work. Okay, so in computer technology, this Microsoft Windows, what is it? What types of software? It is an operating system. Why do we call operating system? Operating system means, what is operation? Operation means, okay, in doctor term, you'll say, if anything is not fine, to make that particular part all right, we do operation, we correct it, rectify it. Likewise, in the system, it helps the system. The operations means what? To make the system work nicely. So that's what it's called as operating system. How do it look? It's a rectangular frame. What is it? Exactly, it's a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. What does it do? That shows the different program on the screen. Okay, now this is the Microsoft Windows screen. The symbol, I'm sorry, this is the Microsoft Windows symbol. Can you see like a flag? Yeah. What is this? You can call it as orange, green, blue, and yellow. This is the symbol of Microsoft Windows. And the latest like, day-to-day life, there's lots of upgradation will come. The latest Microsoft Windows software is Windows 10. Okay, so this is the Windows symbol here. So now I'm going to show my computer screen and I'm going to teach you each and every part of this lesson lively. Shall we get into the lesson, students, and see? I hope you're all excited to see the screen and to know and identify, right? Yes, let's get into the topic inside in detail. Come on, students. Now, when you on your system, okay, when you on the computer, now can you see? Yeah, this is my desktop screen. Okay, when you on your screen, the first screen we see here. Can you all see the first screen when we see here? What is the screen called as? Desktop. What is this called as? Desktop screen. Okay, now, so this is the first screen is called as desktop. Okay, now, ma'am, there are lots of small picture. What is this called? What is all these? Yeah, yes, don't worry. I'm going to teach you what is all this. Now, small label pictures. It's like a label, kutti, na, small. These label picture, what is all these called as? Icons. We learned the second new topic. What we learned first term? Desktop. What is the second term we learned? Icons. Yes. So now in our new items, what we learned as of now too, desktop and icons. This is a desktop, a screen when it opens. And what is this small thing? Icons. Okay. Now this window screen. Now we are going to see this button. Okay, can anyone tell me when you see this bottom part here, egg one, what does it comes into your mind? I'll give you a clue and example what I'm expecting. What shape the down part that remembers you? The entire shape. Yeah. Shall we call it as a rectangular? Yeah. Yes, very good. Well said. Yes, it looks like a rectangular shape. What, right? When I say the shape. Yes, it's in a rectangular shape. We call it as rectangular bar rather. Okay. Now this big rectangular bar, what is it called as? Taskbar. What is it called as? Taskbar. Okay. Now on the taskbar, like how we have two hands, right? What are the hands? Left and right hand on your part of the body. Likewise, in this desktop screen, left hand side, okay? When you face the screen, what is this part called as? You see a prompt here, a small? Yes, start button. What is it called as? Start button. On this right hand side, this area, it is called as notification area. What is it? Very good. Notification area. Okay. Now I'll explain to you what is start. When you click on the start button, okay, now this is you. Yeah, I can see someone is saying something. What is that? They're saying, ma'am, you showed us the Windows symbol now. It also looked like this. But the start button, yes, but isn't it colorful? No, yeah, it looks like the Windows symbol. Okay, now this is the start button. When you click on the start button, what are these? It will show you the list of softwares. What all? So when you open your textbook, for example, your English textbook or computer science textbook, what do you have? You have about the lesson, right? You have about the lesson of what lesson is it and everything, right? So likewise, this also tells you, okay, this start button tells you what all the list of software which is available inside. Okay, now we come to this part. What is this? Notification area. Okay, so on the which side it is there, notification area? Can anyone guess me? Which side? Can anyone tell me? Yes, what is which side it is? Right hand side. Exactly, right hand side. On the right hand side of the desktop screen, that is called notification area. Can you see? 8 new notification. That means in this area we can see what all the software's notification, whether like about this volume control, and you can see your date. It's all a notification which is giving you, right? And if any software it needs to be downloaded or any update, there will be an update which would be shown here. Okay, and now can you see a symbol here, Wi-Fi symbol, where it is connected, how it is connected, what are the Wi-Fi? So it's giving you notification, right? So these are the areas where it tells you about the notification, various notification. Okay. Now next topic I'm going to teach you is about selection and deselection of an icon. You all know the small kuti labeled one. What is it called as? Icon. When you wanted to open something and when you wanted to, how do we select it? We are going to see about selection. Okay. Now, how do we select it? Can you see my pointer? Where? Can anyone guess where is my pointer moving? Yeah, to network. Now where? Yes, this PC. So now I'm going to take our mouse, our little hero, and how do I going to select? You all know mouse has 2 buttons, right? What button? Left and right. Very good. I'm going to select it. Now, can you see after selection what happened? It is highlighted. This is called selection. When you do not want that to select it, what we have to do? Click again one more time and come out. Come out and select. What happens? Is the selection gone? Yes. It's called deselecting. What is it called? Deselecting of icon. Very good. So we learned 4 terms. Yeah? Shall we remember? I want to ask you a question now. What is the screen? The first screen when you're on the computer. What is the screen? Very good. Super. Hope you're able to hear my clap sound. Yes, desktop screen. Super. And what is this big one? What is the shape? Remember? Big rectangular bar. What is it called as? Yes, taskbar. Very good. Hope you're able to see my clap sound. Sorry, hear my clap sound. Very good. And what is this on the left-hand side of the taskbar? Very good. Start button. On this right-hand side, notification area. Very good. Superb. All my students are intelligent. Very good. Yes, they're answering smart. Last question. So what is this one called as? Icons. Superb. Superb. Very good. I can see you're all answering very well. And since it's a very interesting topic, you're all able to answer very well, right? Very good, student. So we have seen lesson 2, understanding windows of part 1 video. We learned what is Windows, what is desktop, what is taskbar, and what else we learned? Let me get it from you, the answer. Yes. Left-hand side of the taskbar and the right-hand side. What is icon? How do we select it and non-selection, right? So hope you all must have enjoyed this video and understand very well. Yes, hope you all must have understood very well. Thank you, students, for listening, hearing this video and seeing this video. I will come with you with the next video of interesting in detail about how to see change the screen, your desktop screen, and many interesting on the video too. Thank you, students. You all have a great day.